Hi, this is Chris 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Nooie 360 Cam 2. It has a bunch of features. We're going to go over that really quickly with you. It has all of these operational features right here. It's 2K resolution at H.265. And then on this side, again, shows 2K full HD. It has pan and tilt control, has motion detection in the app, night vision, cloud or store locally, that's very important, two-way audio, and it can sense different alerts for different things like children or pets, and that's what it has to offer. And this is the actual camera right here, so that's where the lens would be. That's covering the lens. There's a light here that will flash different colors, and we'll get into that in just a moment with the packet of info down there. Here's where the charger port is, so it's a micro USB. There is the speaker right there, microphone as well. And that's about it for the camera, but you can actually mount this upside down with this piece right here. So this piece just fits in like that, and then you can mount it upside down in your home or in your office right there, like that. It comes with the micro USB charging cable, comes with the charger piece, comes with all the screws that you might need. This also has a right angle on the charger cord, which is great. And then inside of here is a simple setup process. So it shows you what's in the box. Here's how to use it. You can mount it underneath, and some more information. You can download the app for your iPhone or Android. So that's cool. And then you get the sticker for the outside of your home right there. And another part of this camera technology is that it works with Google and Amazon. So you can use their voice assistants with this camera. This is the Nooie 360 Cam version 2 with 2K resolution. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.